Call of Duty. Call of Duty. If you see this video, so I'm a guest, and so my network was loose. My network was loose, and there was this panel while it was loading, and there was two options because my Wi-Fi was kinda strange off, and then I pressed speaker and nothing worked, so I pressed game. It logged me out, so it restarted. It go back to my it go back me to the menu, and I pressed Call of Duty. It was loaded back, and nothing happened. The loading screen, nothing fucking happened. So Call of Duty, if you see this, please help me. I need my account. It has some cool skins in it, bro. I have some best friends in this account. So if you see this, please give me my account back.